Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you another exciting recipe. Well, I am pleased to share with you that some of my viewers have already started making small businesses from home, making use of my recipes for my vanilla syrup, caramel syrup, even simple sugar syrup. Today it is going to be another addition to your syrup recipes. It's going to be coconut syrup. This time I'm going to share with you a different method of making syrups, and it's going to be foolproof, no crystallization in the end, and also the resulting syrup is crystal clear. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip and you will find out yet another tip and technique on how to make the perfect coconut syrup. Once again, you can bottle this and start selling this from home. What I'm going to make today is a simple coconut syrup. If you'd like it to be more concentrated, then you have to change the proportion of the sugar to the coconut and water. For this, we need 3 ingredients. We are going to use coconut water. This is straight from fresh coconut. So I have here 1 cup of coconut water, and this is just about 1 whole coconut, medium-sized coconut. I'm going to match it with 1 cup of water. This is just to balance the taste of your coconut syrup. And then, so this is all together, both of this together is 500 milliliters of coconut and water. I'm going to match it with 500 grams or 1 portion of the coconut plus water. So this is like 1:1. So 500 grams of plain sugar. I'm using white sugar because it will make the shelf life longer. If you use brown sugar syrup with a coconut syrup, I would think that the color of the coconut syrup will not be clear. It will look a little bit more like golden, but this time I'd like to make it clear and just like coconut water. So let's start cooking. Into a saucepan, place your 1 cup of plain water and also your 1 cup of coconut water. I'm not saying juice because this is plain coconut water. What we're going to do is to bring this water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add your sugar, all of them. This time, we are not going to touch the sugar, we are going to let it dissolve by itself. Keep the heat to medium-high. As you can see, as the water is boiling, it is the boiling water that is dissolving the sugar. So do not touch it. This is to avoid crystallization and also to make sure that your syrup will turn out crystal clear. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to turn off the heat and put the lid on, and we are going to wait for it to cool down. So there you go, very simple to make coconut syrup. I now have my cooled down coconut syrup here, and it's time to pour them into my jug. So we're going to see how clear our coconut syrup is. Crystal clear, sugar is fully dissolved, no crystallization, and this has been there for about 4 hours. Foolproof method, so do give this a try the next time you make your sugar syrup. But this is coconut syrup and it smells absolutely gorgeous. That touch of coconut. Now, how long is the shelf life of this? This could last up to about 3 months outside the refrigerator. But if you're not sure, you can keep it refrigerated as well. It's not going to be any more thick than this one. So what can you use coconut syrup for? Well, you can add this to your coconut juice, and all you have to do is to add a little bit more meat and then some more water or just ice. And also you can make use of this for your coconut milkshake, smoothies, or frappe. I am going to use this for my next video tutorial in which I am going to show you how to make coconut milkshakes. in both bottles and also cups. And for those who are so inclined, you can also bottle this coconut syrups and start selling them from home. And this bottle is 300 milliliters and it comes with a stopper. So you can put the stopper right here and then put the lid on and sell this. If you'd like to make it more commercial and you'd like it to be similar to these types of bottles, you can use larger bottles. Now the cost is quite low and you can make a good margin from selling this. So what are included in the cost? The cost of your sugar, the cost of your coconut. Is not a lot of money there, and yet you can make good margin from selling this in bottles. And not only that, if you make your own coconut syrup for sales, say for instance in a coconut milkshake stand, then you can save a lot of money than buying commercially available coconut syrup. Now let's break down the cost for reference purposes. I am going to use Thai baht as the reference point and indicate the approximate equivalent amount in Philippine pesos and US dollars. For the water, 2 baht, coconut water, 5 baht, sugar, 11 baht, making the total cost of the syrup equal to 18 baht. The total yield is 750 milliliters. A commercial coconut syrup is typically sold in bottles of exactly this yield, 750 ml. Let's look into the cost of bottling our coconut syrup. Assuming the cost of the 750 milliliters bottle is 30 baht, the total cost of the bottle plus the syrup is equal to 48 baht. Compare it with commercially available coconut syrups. The prices range from 135 baht for local brands up to 350 Thai baht for brands like Torani and Monen. This translates to a cost savings of up to 70 to 85%. On top of that, you get all natural coconut syrup, you know what's in there, and you can make them anytime you need to. Take advantage of this cost savings by making your homemade coconut syrup or start earning by selling them in bottles. If you are planning to bottle and sell, commercial brands would add preservatives to prolong the shelf life. Also, artificial flavorings may be added to enhance the taste. If you are selling locally, go as natural as you can. How does it compare with commercial coconut syrup? There's only one way to find out. Give it a try. Okay, let me try this. To try is to believe. It is absolutely delicious. And I can say it compares very well with commercial coconut syrup, and this is natural. So you can put this in bottles or you can simply use them in your milk tea or coffee shops. You can cut costs, you can save a lot of money, and you can earn money from selling them in bottles. So that's all I would like to share with you today. Next video clip, I'm going to make use of this coconut syrup for my coconut milkshake. So stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.